Maybe hear from Senator Marcoleta with respect to his ideas, given that he is the proponent
Mr.
of the
President,
motion.
it is true that the motion to dismiss is not part of our rules. But it is part of our rules po yung pagiging suppletory application po ng rules of court. In the rules of court, yung korte po can motu proprio dismiss a case kung wala pong jurisdiction. And considering that the rules of court has become part of our rules, that's why I use the motion to dismiss. Pag wala pong jurisdiction, halimbawa, sa isang korte, collection case po ito, 5,000 pesos po yung pinahal niya, dinismiss po ng court kahit hindi pa sumagot yung kalaban, Mr. President, kasi ang jurisdiction po ng korte hanggang 3,000 lang. Ganun po ibig sabihin nun. Minsan po, wala pong, hindi po verified yung complaint, dinismiss. Sa motu proprio, talagang dinidismiss. Paano po kaya kung sinabihan pa nga na the Senate didn't acquire jurisdiction over the case? Mas lalo po sigurong dapat